Igbo kwenu. Hey. Cha 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 Igbo kwenu. Hey. Rono. Zorno. Kwezon. Wow. Check it. We are going to UIU's 20th annual convention. So, just for context, in case you don't know UIU, never heard about it before, UIU stands for Umu Igbo Unite. It's an organization catered towards fostering Igbo community abroad. They have different chapters spread across the US. People are coming from Toronto. Some people are coming from the UK. It's just like all over. And it's just so exciting because it's 20 years of celebrating Igbo greatness. It'll be a jam-packed weekend, but I'm going to try to bring you all along with me so you can celebrate. So what I mean like that. So you can celebrate the greatness that is UIU as an organization and the beautiful Igbo culture. So let's go to Atlanta. Oh, I think I mentioned it, but it's in Atlanta. Look at Daddy working so hard. Get that luggage in there. Did I tell you which airport we're going to? No.
JFK?
No.
Where?
Newark?
No, it can't be. No.
I'm kidding. Why are you wildin'? Is it the Atlanta that you're going to? I'm going to. See how I'm chilling, see how I'm relaxed? Ooh. Oh my gosh. I have to get to my gate in 30 minutes. Every time I'm late. I'm like, what is this? Do I have to pray against this? Jesus. What God cannot do does not what? Exists. We have 15 minutes left. At least I made it to TSA. You saw that line?
That's like everything.
Take a video for the vlog. Yeah, we are. Where's Tamira? Oh, she's gone. Period.
Didn't start yet.
But it's already. Say hi, Tamira.
Hi.
Thank you.
We don't sleep.
Day zero done. What are you thinking? What are your thoughts?
I'm tired.
Yeah.
Honestly, I'm feeling really unstingy when I'm here. I think people are just being selective. And that's okay. You know, I believe you've been chilling nice.
We actually haven't. We're blessed. We're blessed. I say, you must stay, babe. You can never say no.
You don't try to stay 5 minutes.
You know, so good start though. That's a good start. I'll give it a 9. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Yeah, we'll give it
a 7.5.
Oh, okay. How come? Okay. Don't worry about it. Good morning, man. Oh, not really morning, it's afternoon. We woke up around like 2 o'clock. But now I'm gonna get started. Pick up my sisters, they're downstairs. I'm gonna shower, get ready for the day. A couple of panels I wanna attend. One about climbing up the C-suite. Another about like the future of Africa, so it'll be fun. Okay, I'm all changed.
I am tired of losing. I am tired of being a global under.
They come to me and they're like, no, my leader doesn't do anything. It's just like sit there and do nothing all day.
So as you saw, we had the happy hour. I did my musical chairs. Killed that. what else? Just a bunch of like panels. It was really, really cool. Now we're having, well, the kickoff I'm not going to because it's over at 9. It's like 8:40 something, almost 8:50. So that's a dub. There is a pregame, like my chapter's having a pregame. So it is. Yes, Emma. Yeah.
Okay, this one is giving too, though, right?
It is giving. It is giving. It is giving. Yeah. Save like I'll save this for like the parties, like you know.
This one is good for parties.
Yeah. Oh, this is Emma. Yeah, y'all already know her. Yeah. But what was I? What was I? Yeah. So my chapter's having like a little kickback. I'm gonna see what's up with that. There's a pageant. Super excited. So that's gonna be fun. A game night and then a Y2K party. So I'm gonna show you all. This is the fit for the events for tonight. Well, at least the pageant. Then I'm gonna change for Y2K. Go team! Yeah! Ooh, alright, I'm gonna try. Okay, this is your side. Yeah? Yeah!
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
Oh my God, yeah. I'm sorry. Hello, wow, yes,
So thankful you all made it. You all look beautiful. But I won't fit out into not for you. Let me turn up for you. Freaky for you. See, no, they don't know heaven. You better please see, go come. Not true what I tell you, so I see.
Beautiful! You look great! Congratulations! Alright! So I left the pageant early. It was too long. Lovely contestants, lovely concept, but just too long. But now it's time for, let me see if you can guess from my fit. Y2K! It's a Y2K party. So I'm up at 8. I think at 8. What y'all think? Let me know.
Feel obligated to explain my why, because nobody else does. We just have to fix everyone else.
Yeah.
So I just decided I'm gonna fix myself with vacations and red bottoms.
Alright, we're going to the block party. Yes, haven't really been updating y'all, but we're going to a block party now. Should be fun.
So I'm going to speak Igbo a little bit. I don't know. Enjoy go through. Enjoy seeing me in the village. Actually,
Listen, listen. You say oya, kowoya. You say oya.
Oya.
Oya, kowoya.
Oya.
Wada, Ugoccie, ATL, Sara Sara.
Hey.
Woman on fire.
Yes, sir.
And tomorrow, I'm gonna be performing with my band. Aunties. You understand? Yeah, you know you're a beautiful girl, yeah. Put your chest and say, Abumi Fenkili.
Abumi Fenkili.
The big man here, I wanted to say, a big man on fire. I went road to walking, where they live from my yard. That they call I'm so good for the girls so not. What they to what you call not jump and love. When they shine 32 and go look at girls in that. Yeah, man on fire, sugar cane no more. Yeah, man on fire, baby, man on fire, nobody can quench you. Yeah, man on fire.
Oh my gosh, you guys, bro. I have been slacking. I knew it. I'm not naked, by the way. I'm wearing too top. But I was just like, I feel like as the convention goes on, I'll be vlogging less and less and less. And boy, was I right. I missed the morning panels. There's some panels I really want to go to, like a mental health session, an Igbo language session. This was knocked. But I did go to the Umada session. So fun, so fun. I always just like, you know, community centered around sisterhood and just like transparency and just all. It was like a virtual hug. Not even virtual. It was like an emotional hug. There we go. It was an emotional hug. I really enjoyed it. The block party was cool as well. Now they're doing Love the Blind, an Igbo edition of a dating show, which I'm so late to, because I decided to go and gallivant around what's it called, Atlanta. It was good. I'm glad I gallivanted. So I'm about to change. Hopefully I can catch some, but they've been on African time, so I'm pretty sure I'll catch at least some seconds. So I'll get that for y'all. And then Tekno's performing. Tekno and after party. Super excited. I hope Tekno shows up though. Because word on the street is that he hasn't been showing up to his shows. So I guess we'll see. Yeah.
You have 3 seconds to respond to that question. What does empathy mean to you?
To me, empathy means just being understanding and just being understanding, just in a situation, just being understanding of something that went wrong and turning it around.
The response is understand.
Tekno. Yeah, it's a bit short. It's a bit more risque for me, but I think it's still cute. What do y'all think? No, Mary, can I go put on some clothes? Or, you know, once in a while it's okay. Good morning. It is like 7:20. This is the earliest I've been up all convention. I went to sleep around like 5:45. But I'm going to a dance class. I really want to go to this dance class, so I was like, let me at least do one morning session, you know? But this is the fit. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're enjoying the vlog so far. This hard work, man. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, back. 1, 2, 3, back. Turn. 3, 4. Okay, so dance practice, showered, got ready, got makeup, and now I'm here for the networking panel. Super fun. I didn't go last year, so I'm glad I'm able to make it this year. I'm not sure what to expect, but just breakfast.
I was in the first UIE convention 20 years ago.
Aww.
Star for the Seattle Storm, Ogwumike. She's my everything.
And that gave me hope again that I could try something and it could possibly work.
Okay, y'all. It is gala time. Not really a fan of my dress. This is why you don't do things last minute, but you know, we're gonna show up and show out. So it's gonna be a fun night filled with so much performances. Let me go, I'm so late. Like this thing started at 8:30. It's about to be like 11. But African time for the win.
We'll get them back. Already in Ebony no Biko Sopro Wiggy.
MC with the MD. Wow. Sorry. Okay, look at the back. Okay. Oh wow, limbo.
The one and only in the past. Bonuso! Left. What's the digit?
good? It's afternoon now. Good afternoon. Happy Sunday. Happy last day of convention. It's been good. It's been a bit sad seeing everybody leave, but it's been fun. It's been fun. It's been fun. We did like a group photo, which was nice. I know I keep looking away from the camera. Look at the camera, girl. But yeah, we did a group photo, which was nice. It's been a calm day. I had some wings, just some mingling, honestly. But let's go to Upi's house in a few. So I'm gonna get ready for that. And let's see what else ATL has in store for us. All right, we're day party ready. I'm gonna see if I can, it's like evening party now, but I'm gonna see if I can get a full fit for y'all. But this is it, it's like a skirt. It's cute, you'll see it, you'll see it. Just made it through TSA. New York, New York, New York. Okay, sisters. See you guys in New York. See you in oh, thank you, Chelsea. Hold on.
Is that not appropriate?
Okay. All right. See you guys. Thanks. Reunited and it feels so good. Oh, dang. Daddy hug somebody till they fall down. All right, yo, we are home. We are home. It's been a very long, exhausting, tiring, but very, very fun weekend. You can literally see like, wow, you can see bags under my eyes. I don't think I've ever seen bags under my eyes before. Insane. But it was such an amazing weekend. I'm just gonna do like a brief reflection, honestly, like not too in depth because I'm really tired. But all in all, I would highly recommend that people attend this convention. Like, it's really, really nice, even for just once, right? Like, if you're trying to just turn up, if you want to meet people, find your wife, find your husband, just, you know, celebrate what is our rich Igbo culture. I think this is the event for you. So I'm gonna type like their Instagram account. I'm gonna type my chapter in case you're watching this from New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania too. Sometimes, you know, some of y'all be in here. But no, overall, it was so nice. It was so nice. There were some hiccups to like organization and stuff, which is fair, you know, like when you're catering to such a large group, it's, you know, it'd be like that. It'd be like that. But all in all, I am just so grateful. So nice to see everyone. If I just met you, hello again. Very lovely to meet you, and I hope we keep in touch. If I've known you before, we just reconnected. So glad we're able to cross paths again. So I'm gonna go to sleep. But if you made this far, you're a trooper. You guys are great. Love you guys. You guys are awesome. And stay tuned for my next adventure. As always, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what else you want to see. Yeah. All right. Good night, y'all.